Hello guys, we are doing another vlog. Ooh yeah, you see me at my sexiest. Yes, all my titties out and everything. So I actually have a face mask on right now. This is the Origins X Madeline Shaw Glow Coconuts. This is just really hydrating. I've been flying so much that my skin has been so dry and so crusty. But I have my favourite little Teletubby here.
Hello. Do I remind you of a Teletubby? Show them my full outfit of the day.
Oh, that Teletubby got some fat ass. My sister is back in action. You haven't seen her for a while on my channel. And what are we doing today?
So we need to do a big declutter, guys. This room is a shambles at the moment. I tell her everything needs a place, and the place is like literally everywhere.
I've been away, as you guys know. I've been traveling a lot. If you guys haven't seen my travel vlogs, go check them out. I'll link them up here and at the end of this video. But I seriously need a lot of help, and my sister's here to do that help with me. So she was telling me that I need to basically do a decluttering session, share with you guys the things that maybe I am giving away to charity. My sister's probably going to be taking home a bag as well, because every single time she comes home with like a Santa Claus bag. So this is the situation we have at the moment. These drawers are from IKEA. I custom made it, and I've done a whole video talking about how I done my beauty room and stuff like that. If you guys haven't seen that, check out my YouTube channel, okay? Are you guys even subscribed? So whenever my sister comes around, she just helps me organize all of my products, all the stuff that I'm not really using. It's so heavy as well. The other day my foundation drawer broke, and I was like, oh hell no, girl. There's so much foundations here. I got too many primers for my own good, and I have some brand new PR packages that needs to have a new home as well. This box has been here for 10 million years, so that needs to freaking go. Okay, so what should we do first?
Foundation. This is dangerous territory, so we need to go through this. Like, I don't understand why she needs so many of the similar shades. Like, what is the point of having all this? And then all this powder and everything as well. Oh my god, when I look at this, it gives me anxiety.
But I always go through it and I'm like, oh, I find something new, you know, so... Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the foundation drawer. Look at this, it's just all oily and disgusting and it's all separated. Should I just throw it away? It's brand new though.
This, once you mix it, it's all good. Maybe this one is actually a bad one.
Okay, because normally when you shake it
should go back to normal.
But you know what, guys? I don't know why I'm like this. I just feel so guilty for ever throwing anything away. Even if the product's nearly gone and there's still some left, I just don't want to throw it away. I want to keep it until I like scrape the edges of the product. Is anyone else like that? But no one's going to want this crusty foundation, so I guess it's time to part ways. Sadly, this one's going in the bin. So we have a scrub box here. This is all the stuff that's going to be donated. I need to keep one of them. Jesus Christ, I just want to like empty my whole life. Do you know what? I tried it in my video and I found it was really nice when you first applied it. But afterwards, when I was taking photos, I zoomed in and my skin looks really like separated. Don't know how I feel about this, but we'll keep one for now so the rest can go. This is actually so nice, guys. If you want like a good coverage, I don't use it by itself, but on top of other foundation, it gives you amazing coverage. Okay, I don't need that many for sure. Okay, so this is definitely not my shade. It's too pink. Anything that says caramel or sand, I'll keep. Like this one. Oh, sand beige. What the fuck? That's no sand beige, bitch. That's like pink nifty over there. 112, too light for me. I like this, and I've got two of these, so I'll probably need one. So I'll keep these two, and that's brand new, that one.
I heard it's really good. I'll take one.
Oh, for fuck's sake, okay. So the problem that I'm finding at the moment, guys, is stuff like this that I've used once before already. Obviously, giving it away to like a random stranger would be like really unhygienic, but it's such a waste to throw this away. Do you know what I mean? I feel like the colour that I got wasn't the right colour for me, but it'll be the right colour for someone else. So what do I do with stuff like this, guys? Any suggestions at all? Like, I can't give this to charity because they'll be like, what the fuck? So yeah, I'm just stuck in a dilemma. It's just one of those things that just sits there until one of my family member takes dibs, you know?
Okay, so you've got a whole load of all this, which I've never seen you touch.
Oh my god, but these are just so expensive though. These are like £50 for one.
Oh really? It's going in my scrap box.
So this is what Kourtney Kardashian loves apparently. It has no parabens in there. You can actually sleep in this apparently.
Oh really?
And you can actually use this straight after a facial. Some of these kind of mineral stuff is all like pinky and the colours are off, but these are actually really nice. I'll keep an almond and a beige. So there's two different types. There's one that's just normal and then one's for acne prone skin. Okay.
So you keep one, I keep one. So many of these bounce foundations.
Do you know what the worst thing is? That I still can't find my shade. Even though I have like so many and I already gave away so many to other makeup artists and stuff, and I just kept these for myself, but literally I can't find my shade. So let's dispose of them. Okay, so 330 I won't use. Oh no, I've got another 330. What the hell? You said you really like this foundation, right?
This is the foundation that I'm using at the moment. I think it gives you a really natural skin-like finish.
I know I'm in the range of like 360 and 365, so we're going to keep these. Okay, next up, I'm going to dispose of the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. This one's really good if you want a full coverage, but it is very dry, so you have to make sure you're super moisturized or that you're really, really oily. And the shade's actually really nice because it's super yellow, but almost a bit too yellow, you know what I mean? So I'm going to get rid of this one, I think. I think that one's too dark for me. So this is the Urban Decay foundation. This is so nice if you want something that's super, super long wearing, but it's just super, super matte and it's quite hard to blend out. So I think I'm going to part ways with it, guys. I just would never touch it, I don't think. These are so old. Like, this is when I used to be a makeup artist back in the days. But you like this foundation. Do you want it?
I've got two of them. I don't touch it.
Oh, this one's really old. Look, it's all separated. Look, it's disgusting. It's going in the bin. Rainforest of the Sea, you're going away. Warm Sand from Too Faced, too dark.
Even though this is dark, I think I can...
You fake tan a lot, though.
Yeah. Okay, I'm keeping this one.
Her stash is slowly building up, guys. Okay, so we've got some Kat Von D here. I have tried this foundation before. It's very similar to the Urban Decay foundation. So if you like super full coverage, it's good. It covers up tattoos and shit like that. But the colour is just not great for me, guys. You know when it's so full coverage, it just looks like you're wearing a mask? That's the kind of vibe I get with this one, guys. Maybe I could keep one for some days when I want extra coverage. Okay, this one's new, so we'll give this one away. I'll keep the used one.
I feel these need to go. I remember trying these ones. Nasty.
Okay, what was wrong with them?
It just looks so cakey and dry. And I have oily skin, and if it's cakey and dry and oily skin, imagine how it will look on dry skin. It's just not good.
The formula of this is very similar to like Dream Matte Mousse. Oh, I think you'd like this, you know. This is too dark for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this foundation is really nice, actually.
My stash is growing. Okay, we're going to mark to see how many products I take away with me at the end of the...
Okay. So far, she's got 5.
I feel this is too dark for you.
I know, this one's really good for the Instagram videos, though, you know? So keep that one in there. Will you love a Huda Beauty product? All this is so old. It just needs to go.
You've already got one of this.
Okay,
one.
sand can go. No, I need to keep a golden beige.
I think I want the lighter one, Sam.
Okay.
I've done a swappy, okay, guys?
Okay, so still 5 products.
I feel you're going to never use this.
Yeah, I'm never going to use this. This was such a good foundation, though. I just don't know why I don't use it. There's not a reason why, in particular, I'm just giving away these products. Like, these products will work really well for someone else. It's just the fact that I am a fucking hoarder and I keep everything. So, yeah, guys, I don't want you guys to think that I'm being ungrateful because it's just a bit overwhelming at the moment. So, we just need to, like, you know, get my life on point.
Now.
Okay, so this is so old. Like, look at the separation on that. That needs to go. Okay, guys, sculpt boxes to the rescue. I've got one already that's nearly full, so we've got another one here. And then I said to my sister, you can keep whatever you can carry in this little box, okay? Because she has another makeup room at home, but she hoards stuff as well. So I don't want her to just have all these products that's going to be sitting at home, because I want it to go to a good home. So that's all you're getting today. But we're doing well. Look, I actually see the bottom of the drawer, which is great.
I don't feel that we're going to use this. I haven't touched this in such a long time.
So these two I definitely want my shade. P stands for pink and N stands for neutral. So I'll take a golden. Guys, I'm being reckless now. I'm like, throw it away, give it away, be gone. Next up, we have my whole stash of Pseudo Fix fluids, and I don't know why I'm so much. So we've got the Pro Longwear foundations, which honestly is really good if you mix it into other products. It just gives you a bit of longevity. It's all separated here as well. I get really bad breakouts, guys, so I can't be risking stuff like this. So maybe I'll throw this one in the bin. Okay, so we have a lot of Pseudo Fix fluids, some with lids, some went missing. So all I need is an NC35 or an NC30. So we've got NC35 here. This shade is so nice. I'm going to keep this one. I'm tanned. It's a C8. That's a brand new shade. Oh God, I've got so many Pseudo Fix fluid. I've got another NC35. You like it?
Yes, I love this.
Okay, NC40, another NC35. Oh my God. Okay, great job. We already have one clear scrub box, which is really, really good. We kind of put everything all into these two, and there's still space to grow as well, which is great. And now we're going to move on to primers. We're going to give away some of these, and also loads of concealers, which I feel like is such a waste. Like, these will go to such good homes. I'm going to get rid of these ones, only because the new ones have come out, and I feel like they're a bit better than these. So these can go away to a good home. Those are definitely I'll ever use. The NYX can go. So this is why I like doing this with my sister, guys. She makes me be a lot more forceful. If it's me by myself, I'm like, oh, it's got space to live there, you know. Oh my god, I'm going through this and it's just literally an empty box. Guys, so we got rid of quite a lot of concealers now, which is really good. Like, all of this is clear now, which is good. I also have a problem with loads of these little small things. I don't know what to do with them. So they literally just sit here for now, but it's kind of like leaking oil as well. So it's been there for quite a long time, guys. Okay, so I've got 2 Fenty primers. Have you got a Fenty primer?
Nope.
Okay, you can have this one. It's very good. You're very lucky to receive this.
Oh my god, my stash is growing.
I know, guys. Look, her little box is filling up. This looks really good. I want to use this in a video. So we need to put this in here. Okay, so this is the foundation drawer cleaned out, which I think we're done very, very good compared to how it was before. We have all this row clear now. We have more space for primers, more space for foundations here, and it's not as heavy, which is the goal. So yes, we've done a great job. High five! Woohoo! Okay, so we're gonna tackle the powders next. This is what the drawer looks like at the moment. It's freaking crazy. So we're gonna try give away stuff that I just will never use. So yeah, this powder has been with me for so long. I think this is your powder. I don't think I haven't bought this one.
I don't feel that you're gonna ever touch all this. Like, this is gonna be in this collection forever.
No, what am I gonna do with it though?
What's in here?
There's another one.
Oh my gosh.
See, I get all these little baby small items.
These are nice.
Oh yeah, those are good. So at the moment I'm arranging all of the light ones in here and all the dark ones in here. I know I have loads of these Laura Mercier glow powders because I went on a trip with them. They gave us loads. Okay, so I've got 2 medium deeps. So I don't think I even used medium deep, to be honest. So maybe we can give away both of them. Got 1 backup translucent, which I always need in my backup arsenal. Okay, so this item here from Jeffree Star, I actually remember buying this on Beauty Bay. Look how much I've used this bad boy, guys. Literally the definition of hitting pan. It's a really nice shade for the body and it's actually really creamy. I actually don't like his other formulas of highlighters. I remember I tried another colour and it was so gritty. Oh yeah, here it is. Look at the difference between this. You guys can see, like, it's got like bumps and stuff in there. Like, I saw swatches of this online and I thought, oh my god, it's so nice, but it's just too yellow. So this can go. It's a end of an era, guys. See ya. So my sister is literally obsessed with Laura Geller and I don't think I ever used them. So you can have them, Hongalina. A Gilded Honey's in there. This one from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know, guys. It's meant to be like a bar of gold, but it ain't that gold, to be honest. Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palettes. The formula is amazing. It's very similar to like Tom Ford, but because it's only a quad, I feel like I can't do a full eyeshadow look with it, so it can probably go. I don't even know what the shade is, but it'll go to a better home, I'm sure. I remember this was one of my first PR packages, and this literally was like so pretty. Do you want to have a look at it?
Yeah, I know. I'm
She's better looking. Do you remember this? It's limited edition. I don't think you can even get it anymore. But look how pretty the formula is.
Oh my god, you did so good, Thuy!
I know. I'm so proud of myself. Prosecco Pop. Oh, I'm gonna keep that. It's a good old one. So one of my favourite products of all time is Hoola by Benefit. That's why your girl literally has 5 Hoolas, guys. Who needs that many Hoola? But literally, this is the only one I contour my nose with. It's so, so good. And they just recently done a limited edition jumbo one, which is huge. But I love my mini one. I travel my mini one all the time. But I have 3 Hoolas, which I definitely don't need. So we can get rid of 2. I have a Hoola Light. And someone told me they love Hoola Light. But every single time I try it, it literally looks like my face powder.
Only reason Hoola helps is so she gets first dibs.
I know. I said to her, all she gets to keep is this little box. And look at it. It's extended over there.
You're only allowed what you can feel, okay?
She gave me a limited edition box. I need a big one.
Otherwise, it's going to come out your wages.
Yes, Squag. I like that thinking. Okay, too many Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzers. I definitely don't need all of them.
These are actually really good, you know.
I feel like there's too pigmented. Oh! Oh! That's coming out your wages as well. Okay, guys, so Gran is vlogging now, so you guys can see a bit of my pretty face for a while. So pretty. So we've done half the drawer already, which is great. And now we're going to move on to blusher now. I'm literally being so hardcore right now, I don't even know who the hell I am. So, Laura Mercier Candlelight Powder. Probably won't use that.
Who is she?
Who is she? Who is she? Okay, so I've got so many of these MAC blushes. Would I ever use them? Probably not. Probably won't use that one. Dandelion. Remember you used to be so obsessed with it?
Yeah, I've got 5.
I've got a mini California, 2 of them, which I don't need 2. Oh my god, this is the final drawer now. Look, there's even an empty scrub. Woo! So good. It was so jam-packed filled earlier. So way to go, Hongalina. Next up, I think this one's alright.
This is okay.
Yeah, we'll keep that one. Alright, let's just tackle the lips then. Oh my god, this one is one of those tasks that is just like so hard. Yeah, we need to be quite ruthless with this one. Look guys, this is all the stuff that we are giving away. This is all the foundations. Look, even the scrubs are overfilled, so pour that in here. All gonna be for the thumbnail later. It actually makes me so sad that I can't use up all this stuff in my lifetime, guys. Don't worry, it'll go away to really good homes, to girls and women who really need it and deserve it. Okay, so we're gonna tackle corner by corner. I think that's the only way we're gonna do this. So Coloured Rain, I got literally the whole lip line, which is actually insane. They have a massive range of lip products, so yeah, we're gonna be going through here and just stuff that I just will never use. Like, this is a blue liquid lipstick, so this is pretty annoying because the only way we're gonna know what colors inside is to go through every single one of that. So we're gonna narrow this all down and then give away the stuff that we're not gonna use. Alrighty, we just finished all of the lips. My sister's doing the final touches, but we literally got rid of loads and loads of lip products. I remember before, guys, when I first started doing blogging, I was like, oh my god, I love it if one brand would ever send me a liquid lipstick, because, you know, when liquid lipsticks first came out, I think it was Lime Crime that just sprang out their first liquid lipstick formula, and I was literally obsessed, and it was so hard to find brands that would have liquid lipstick formulas because it was so revolutionary, something that would just never come off and never budge. And now I'm here like a couple years later with like liquid lipsticks coming out my ass. So crazy how things work, guys. So we've done most of the drawers now and I'm literally so tired, so we're just gonna try to like tidy up the room, organize some new PR packages as well. My sister's been having a field day. She's been, you know, racking up her stash. So if you're Asian and you don't have this broom here, are you even Asian? Okay, so this is the big barrel. Oh my god, it's so heavy. So we're literally gonna be giving this all away. Woo! Let's see how much stuff we have. Oh my god, we're gonna have to organize this all as well. Oh my gosh, this is crazy! Oh my god, imagine if I'd done a giveaway and one person got to win all of this stuff. But honestly, the shipping will probably be like £1,000 because this was so heavy. Let's see what your little bag is that you're taking home. First, it started off as a scub, a little box.
Then this is filled to the brim. We extended it further.
This big bag here. So she said at home she's gonna declutter her own stuff and make way for new stuff now, right?
Out with the old, in with the new.
Yes. Okay guys, so that's it for my decluttering video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It should be quite a quick video. Saying that, how long do we spend? Like, good like 4
hours
or something. Decluttering so much makeup, and we also organised the decluttered makeup. That's how organised we are, guys. So if you guys are not following my sister yet, make sure you follow her. I'll leave her link down below. It's just HongXO. And also follow me on all my social media platforms as well. Also, I had to make a disclaimer as well because I know I'll get so many questions and messages down below saying, why can't you give it to me? Or you're acting so spoiled, throwing this away, you're being ungrateful and stuff. But this is my job, you know? Go on, stick up for me then.
Yeah, this is her job. She gets a ton of PR packages. So we wish we could keep them all, being the hoarder that we are, but hey, we had to declutter, otherwise this room will be filled to the brim.
I had stuff in here that I've had from ages ago, from years and years since I've been a makeup artist, so even just parting with that, I always feel so guilty. It'll go to better homes, I'm sure. And also, if you guys are watching up until this point, if you guys show me loads of love down below in the comment section, I'm going to be doing a little giveaway. I'm going to be sliding through some of your DMs, so if you put your @name of your Instagram down below in the comments, we will be sending away a box of goodies. Woo! So yeah guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
This is close, my friend.
It's not gonna focus.
There's no even focusing now.
Oh, that's why it wasn't even focusing.
What the fuck? You know, it's like my tears met up to my neck, boy. Makeup angel. Oh my god, I totally forgot that I've been wearing a mask this whole time. I've had this mask marinating for 4 damn hours, bitch. My skin better be soft as a baby's ass by the time I wipe this off. Do you want to be in the bloopers? Hello. Oh, you want to be in the bloopers? Hello, this is Coco, my nephew.
Hello.
Hello.
There we go. Smelling a bit of dick cheese. Stop. This is PG-13 or GP.